Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for a at-home gym type workout machine that does chest, abs, tricep, back, a couple different body parts, this video just might be for you. So what we have here is a at-home piece of equipment that is very different. I've never seen anything like this before. It uses wheels. It uses resistance that can be adjusted. And it kind of does a couple different things. On the back side, it all comes assembled except for one thing. There is a seat right here that has wheels on the bottom, and this is for allowing it to roll back and forth. It has an adjustment on the bottom with a knob that kind of locks in place. That can adjust how long based on their user's height. And then it has 3 adjustments on the bottom here. You pull it out, these resistance bands can be pulled to highest level resistance, medium, and then the loosest amount of resistance. The wheels are all of like a high grade, I would say high grade like rubber, almost like, I would say like not inline roller skate type wheels on the bottom with ball bearings, and seem to be very good, high quality. The total piece of machinery, I'd say probably weighs, I don't know, around 25 pounds or so. It's got a little bit of weight to it. The main frame of it seems to be some sort of like steel, definitely high quality from that standpoint. I mean, it looks like it could hold some serious weight from the user. There's also a digital display that will count how many, let's just call it repetitions. When this is pushed out and this tension band is pulled all the way out, it will count as a repetition. And there's a couple different settings. There can be set up as distance, calories, time, TCNT, back to distance and counts. Got a couple different things. You can kind of track your own progress and use. So you're not having to think like, well, how many times did I do this exercise or how long did I do it? All that is conveniently displayed right in front of the user. Examples of exercise would be knees on the knee pad, and it's actually a nice soft cushion. Hands can go on the outside, go down, then come up. Go down, come up. And so in this situation, this exercise is working the core. It's also a chest workout because you go in sort of like in a wide fly and then coming up and squeezing in and working the centered chest. The cushion can allow for seating. The blue area on the actual grips has got a little bit of friction to it, so feet can go in the corners, and it can be almost like a leg press exercise. Hold onto the seat, and the tension can be adjusted up or down. Now in this example, the floor is tile, but it can be used on carpet as well. Up close here, where hands could be gripping, this is a soft but durable rubber grip. So hands would be gripping this, and you got a good grip there. The padding's got a nice little cushion to it. A reverse application would be for the back and shoulders. And this could also serve as just a straight up, almost like a push-up. And with the knees being padded, it's comfortable for that user that is not capable or prefers not to do a full push-up and would prefer to use their knees, so the padding on the knees is nice and convenient. From a size and storage, because some people are going to want to know, like, well, how can you store it? Can you slide it? Can you roll it under a bed? The total height on it's not that tall. It's only, let's just say about 5 inches. About 5, maybe 5.5 inches off the floor. It's only 17 inches wide. And when totally collapsed, it's about 42 inches in length. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, give us an honest review. Tell us what you think. Hopefully all of that came across, and we'll talk to you soon.